guys, happy Friday. It is so good to see you and thanks for joining me here today. Excuse my appearance. I just threw my hair up. It is a hot, sticky, humid day. We are out on the deck. I've got a lot of cleanup to do, and then I would like to decorate it and make it a really cute, inviting, cozy space. So if that sounds like fun, join me. So one of the selling factors with this beautiful log home was this huge, huge outdoor deck. It literally runs the span of the house. It's awesome. And it's crazy, but we really haven't spent much time out here. I think when we moved here, we were so focused on the kitchen renovation and fixing things here and there that this sort of just went on the back burner. But we did place the granite from the old kitchen out here, and we had our favorite local handyman come and build us an outdoor, I wouldn't say kitchen area, but it's a barbecue area where you can prep, you can cook, you can enjoy drinks, lots of cabinets. And he used oak, and he recommended oak because oak over time gets this beautiful rustic looking, I don't know, kind of patina. I don't know if that's the right word, but it actually starts to change color and go dark. And so we started out with, natural looking wood, and it is now turning black. So once it starts getting weathered, it really takes on a whole new look. So it'll be interesting over the next few years to see how this is going to look, because initially I said, oh no, we have to stain it. But the handyman said, just give it some time. The weather's going to do all the work for you. So that's what we're doing. I remember the handyman saying, if you go with oak, it is so durable. It's such a great product that it'll last like 200 years. I mean, hello. Okay, yeah, I was like, sign us up. You guys, again, excuse my hair. I don't even want to be bothered with it today. I just want to decorate. I know you guys can relate. Sometimes you just want to get it done and you don't want to care about what you look like. Today's one of those days. Real quickly, you'll see this rail here. Our thoughts are that eventually we would like to screen in this area here where the kitchen is. I don't know if we will, but I sure would love it. Just this little section here, and then if you can see down there, this goes all the way down there. We would like to take down this whole railing and put up the black aluminum railing, because this is a bear to keep preserved and looking good, and we want something that we can just pressure wash and be done with. So, and I think it would give it a more modern, updated look. So that we might be doing that down the line. So with that said, let's get going. Okay, so right there you see an old wine barrel. We got that at our favorite winery years ago, and we knew we were going to make some sort of a table with it. Our handyman found a table they were selling on like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, I can't remember, and we disassembled the table and used the top to put on top of the wine barrel, and we plan to stain it and get some bar stools to go around it. We even have a leaf, so if we have company, we can actually make it bigger than it is, but that's what we're dealing with now. Okay, all the windows are clean except for this one. I gotta do that. And my husband just sanded the top of the table for me. We're thinking about staining it a darker color to kind of have a nice contrast out here. So we'll see if we get that done today. I wanted to show you, this is that window where I've got my baker's rack in front of it with the bars. And I always joke, like, does it look like we're in jail? It doesn't look bad from out here. So I'll take you down and show you after I clean the windows. You guys, I know I have talked to you guys about this product over the years, but it's truly one of my favorite products on the planet. Look how shiny my windows are. Love a good shine. Okay, so I don't even know if you guys can tell, but there's my baker's hutch in there. You can see the bars, but you know, we came out here the other night and it was so cute through the windows. It didn't bother me at all. Okay, now for a little decorating. Remember, I wanted to hang this out here with this sign and do something like this. Well, where I planned to put it, which was right there, it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna try to go above the window. I went inside and I'm like, this would be a nice contrast with the table my husband just stained black. So, and I thought, you know, maybe for the seasons I could hang a cute seasonal wreath or even slap a summer sign on there or fall sign, Christmas, you get it. Now I'm gonna hang it here on the logs and I'm gonna show you an issue I have in this house when decorating on logs. Not very easy. Okay, now depending on where I hang it on the log, it won't lay flat. It just depends on where I lay it. It may be like this, or I may have to go up higher just to get it to lay flat. Stay tuned. This looks like it'll lay flat, so I'm gonna go in with my little screw and hang it. There you go. Who says you can't decorate your outdoor walls? Now over here in this corner, I'm going to go in with this. I initially thought I was going to do my hanging plant, but instead I think I'm going to go and hang a solar lantern, and this gets real sunny in the bright afternoon, so it'll charge it. And the lantern will hang right here, kind of catty corner. And then here's my solar lantern, and I'm gonna hang it. Over here in this corner, I'm gonna hang yet another lantern. So I've created a decor feature wall right there. Then I have this lantern. I've got the one over there by the barbecue. This will get pushed back. Does that not look amazing? My husband did a phenomenal job. It literally transformed this table, and we're gonna have to get bar stools for it, so that will come later. But so far I'm loving this outdoor space. It's looking really cute. Okay guys, Now I'm screwing in this hook so I can hang my fern from here. Nicely that shines up. Love it. Now I love how it looks nice and clean, but I also have this big woven basket and I thought it would look pretty sitting right there with 2 lanterns in it. So I have this one. I'm going to angle it this way. I'm going to put one more there. I might get another one of those rugs to go right there where the barbecue is. I think that would be really cute. Also too, we could get some bar stools to go over here as well. That's not an overhang, but certainly it's a great place to land at the end of the day with a cold drink while somebody's barbecuing. I also forgot to mention that our handyman thought of everything. So he installed under bar lighting right there and over here. So at night, if you're barbecuing and it's kind of dark, you have light out here. gonna wrap up my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We're not finished out here. Like I said, we need to add more bar stools and I don't know, some more finishing touches, but for now I think it's super cozy. I'm ready for a glass of iced tea and I might just hit the pool. So come back and see me next week. I hope you guys have a fabulous weekend and I'll see you then. Love you all so much. Bye guys.